So we're off to the market soon.
We are.
And I needed to make some pieces.
You did.
So I thought I might as well film it.
Okay.
So that's what I did.
Okay.
So I wanted to make some Aquacast bits and pieces for an upcoming market that we're doing.
Yeah.
And I decided to go for a blue marble.
Yeah.
So I've got 2 of the trays. They are the sort of, they've got like a bobble in the bottom of them.
They're a nice tray, those.
They are really nice. I really, really do like them. And they're really good quality as well. Really good quality. So, which is surprising because I got them from Temu.
It's a bit hit and miss with Temu, isn't it?
Very hit and miss.
Well, they're either really good, really rubbish,
or too small,
or extremely small.
Yeah.
I don't think. I think there's one thing that you bought that it was bigger than you were expected.
Ever.
Yeah. But everything else was. You go. Oh, that's smaller than I expected.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like a. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm using the Homeware Design Co. colours.
Yeah.
And this is Blue Velvet, which is a beautiful colour.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Now, I've got, I think it's 6 dots in there. And then I just gently mix it in to like a marble. So I just stir it gently. And that's it.
Okay.
And I've added my dot to the drippy thing, the bit that I pour it out of, as you can see. And then it's just a case of pouring it into the tray.
So nice and simple.
It's a really, really simple technique to do marble.
But quite effective.
But yeah, it is really effective. And then I noticed that there was a bit of dust or something in the tray. So
how much difference does putting that dot on the nozzle make?
I personally find it makes quite a bit of difference, because you'll see in a minute that I kind of run out of the colour, and then because it's there, it does.
Does it not like just wear away like the
it
second?
It does, but slowly.
So it doesn't like you put it on the tip.
Yeah.
And then as soon as you pour it, it doesn't just completely disappear.
No.
Oh,
No.
Right, okay.
It fades gradually. So there's the 2 trays. So I've got 2 sizes. I've got the small and the large.
Yeah.
And then I do tap them not too vigorously, because if you tap too vigorously, you will actually lose the marble.
Oh, will you? Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it'll all sort of.
But you have to tap it a little bit because of those bubbles.
Yeah, you have to tap it a little bit. But not too vigorously, is what I would say.
You mean like that?
No, because that's trust me, it's not. Trust me, that's okay. If you remember what I tap normal trays like.
Well, no.
And then this is just our logo that I put into the back. I made some inlays, didn't I?
You did.
Yeah, they're very cool. And then I do exactly the same with the round tray. Because I've got the small, the large, and then the round. So
that's is that a tray? That's a tray as well. It's not
it's
a big like a dish.
No,
thing.
it's a tray as well. And then I make up a couple of dishes.
Isn't that a like a pot?
It is a little pot. Dishes, pot, whatever you want to call it.
I think there's a bit of a difference there between a dish and a pot.
Is there?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Well, hasn't a pot got a lid?
That has got a lid.
Yeah, so that's a pot, not
Is
a
it?
dish.
Oh, okay. If you want to. Well, no, because a casserole dish has a lid.
Yeah.
Well, then.
Is it a casserole dish or is it a casserole pot?
Exactly. It's either. It's interchangeable. See, got you there. Didn't I?
No.
Yeah, I did.
Uh-huh.
So again, just tap in the sides very gently to make sure that there's no bubbles in the sides. And then I've got a slightly smaller dish.
Pot.
Okay, leave us a note in the comments if you call them dishes or pots.
That's a pot.
That's a dish because there's no lid on that one.
See, a dish to me would be quite flat with a little dip in the middle where you can put like your keys and things like that.
That's a tray.
That's a dish.
It's a tray. It's a key tray.
A dish.
I'm not discussing it now.
I think
Anyway.
a dish has got a bit of a curve.
Anyway, I really like these little pots. They are so good, and they're really good for candles as well.
What, for the the ones that you actually made and poured the...
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I've got lots of them. And then this one is a bud vase, which is really nice. A bud vase. But because it's quite deep, I chucked in a little bit of rubbish to fill it up a little bit because I didn't want to,
okay,
waste the Aquacast.
A quick thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us. You are all legends, and you get an extra special. Thank you very much. I think you should do one as well.
Do what?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
No.
You mean alluring and seductive?
Yeah.
I can guarantee nobody wants to hear my alluring and seductive.
I think you should. I think you should.
Oh. Anyway, here is the demold.
Indeed.
So this is about 2.5, 3 hours later. And this is the large tray, which I think has come out really nice. I really like those trays. And then this is the smaller one.
Yeah.
Which, again, I feel came out really nice.
I prefer that one to the first one.
Why?
There's more colour.
Okay. Fair enough.
The other one's got... That's got white bits in, but the other one has got more white bits.
The other one's like the reverse of that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I prefer that one.
Yeah. No, I know what you're saying. But no, I really like those colours.
Oh, dear.
Sorry, I had a giant yawn then.
I'm sorry if I'm keeping you awake.
You are indeed. So, this is the nice round bubble tray.
Yeah.
I need to come up with a better name than bubble tray. Because it's not really a bubble. They're bobbles. Bubble tray.
Bubble tray.
Yeah. I really like that. That's probably my favourite.
Is it a tray or a dish?
Oh, for goodness sake. Honestly. This is what I'm dealing with. So, yeah, just go around and take off all the sort of the
overpour.
It's not overpour. It's where you bobble it. It's where you tap it.
I suppose it's easier to take off those bits than it is with resin because they just literally just snap off.
Oh yeah, and they're really thin as well. But that piece I really, really like.
Yeah,
I do like that one. And then this is the bud vase.
Yeah. Why is it a bud vase?
Because it's got a very narrow top. So you couldn't put a bunch of flowers in it, but you could put a couple of buds.
Oh, okay.
And it's a nightmare to demold. But yeah, so you couldn't put a bouquet of flowers in there.
No, but you could, yeah, okay.
But you could get,
one or two.
One or two, yeah. So it's really, and I really like that vase. And then this is the lid for one of the pots. Or jars or dishes or whatever you want to call it. Dear oh dear. Dear oh dear. I do like these pots though. They're really nice.
Mm. They look, and they feel really good as well. I mean, it's Aquacast, isn't it? So the texture on them is really nice.
Yeah.
But that one looks a bit quite faint, the marble.
Yeah.
I prefer the
You like them to be a lot more vibrant.
Yeah.
I specifically wanted it to be a little bit less on the jars.
A little subtle.
Yeah, a little more subtle on the jars,
yeah.
And a little bit deeper on the trays. Because the idea is you have a tray and one of the pots, or two of the pots, whichever.
Okay.
But yeah, but those inlays work really well. I like those.
Yeah. Yes, they do.
I know. I'm very clever.
You are.
I know.
You're getting quite adept at making these inlays.
Well, yeah. Yeah, I suppose. suppose.
Yeah, I'm all right.
Yeah, I like that one too. That's really nice.
Is that?
I like it.
It looks a bit warped a little.
It's not.
Is it not?
No.
It looks a bit out of shape.
It's not. I can assure you.
Okay. That was just an observation from...
I know. But I can assure you it's not.
Okay.
It is perfectly round.
Okay. I shall take your word for it.
And I know that because I measured it.
Oh, did
I
you?
thought the same thing. I was
Did
like,
you?
that's not right. But no. But this one's nice.
I like that one. Yeah, I preferred the more bold colours.
I know, but not everybody does. So
Yeah.
it's good to have a mix of both. So I don't know what I was saying there, but
It's probably either shooing me away
probably
or telling me off or something.
it's one or the other.
Yeah.
It's definitely going to be one or the other. But that's the whole set, and there they are in the glamour shots.
Yeah.
Let me know what you think in the comments. Did I do did I do a thing?
The Nikki collection.
Yeah, it's not the Nikki collection. It's not the Nikki collection.
Is it not?
No, it's the Blue Breeze collection, actually.
The Blue Breeze collection.
I don't know. I haven't made the name up yet. Anyway, if you are still with us at this point and you like our creative sort of chaos, please do hit that like button.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well?
And if you already have.
Thank you very much.
And YouTube Wizardry is about to suggest another video you might enjoy just as much. Why not give that a little look-see as well?
Indeed.
And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care and bye for now.
Bye for now.